We're gonna put all that on the truck today. We're gonna do a little extreme makeover truck edition.
Stop it. We're not saying that on camera.
Happy Memorial Day, baby.
Happy MD Dubs.
MD Dubs.
MD Dubs.
Today we're gonna do a little bit of a makeover on Emily's new rig. Emily, where are you?
We're gonna change the taillights, headlights, and maybe the side mirror.
And the most important
And the
part
grill?
and the grill.
Oh, grill.
You can see we got quite a bit of stuff here for Emily's truck. We're gonna put all that on the truck today. We're gonna do a little extreme makeover truck edition. Brought out to beautiful. Just keep it stock, you idiot. And someone didn't keep this stock, so we're taking off all this junk. If you want to see more on the Chevy build, make sure you drop us a comment, hit us subscribe,
Like it.
tell Emily what mod she should do to her new truck. Now let's jump into it. What do you think,
All right,
Ben?
yeah, let's do it.
All right, yeah.
Yeah.
On to the biz.
On to the
On to the
biz.
biz. We found Emily's truck over in Oregon, and it was the perfect truck for our needs. 4x4, Chevy, Silverado, OBS, 350 TBI. Super easy to replace. Any part we needed, except it needed a makeover. All these clear headlights and tail lights just weren't it. Black housing, man, that's not the look we're going after. So we're going to change all of that in this episode to really make the truck stand out.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Should be a 7mm there.
That's why it's
A 7mm
probably
here,
loose.
yeah. And there should be one here that's also missing. And there's one there. Oh, we're missing a lot of bolts, so this should be easy.
Just to make sure it doesn't fall.
Cool.
Pull it out.
The beauty of a 94 Chevy is you never know what the person did before you. Great.
And then unplug it.
And to unplug it, you twist and pull. Twist, other way. Those stupid LED lights. This also twists off. And it melted.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
And it melted.
Fantastic. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, there's a tab here. There we go.
Okay.
Let's get this off. The LED pieces of shit.
Look like braces.
They're so bad. Okay. No, thank you.
Bye bye.
There we go.
Wow. Wow. Bye bye.
That goes there.
Who wants it? Come and get it.
Well, you're gonna need the bow tie off the front.
Oh,
of it.
we'll need the bow tie. Wow. Look at that.
Easy, right?
Yeah. It looks like a transformer now.
He did some shit with these lights that are just unacceptable. This is so bad. How many bolts and screws are Emily gonna lose during this swap?
Don't drop it. Drop it.
And oh my gosh, one more.
Oh, one more.
And here.
No, this is what it looks like.
This is what it looks like. Wonderful, huh? Done.
Oh!
We got really nice ones. These are a brand called Anzo, and the reason why I paid extra for this brand is because it comes with a warranty,
Oh, good.
and it'll say left or right, so
Oh,
L.
yes.
Here's your headlight bulbs itself, and then, of course, there's probably that chingus in there that needs to be screwed in, but I don't see where that chingus is. Just as long as I don't drop these, huh? Oh, you know what that is, probably?
Ground?
No, you know what?
Oh, it's a light bulb.
No, this is probably for this. This is probably for the halo effect.
Oh, cool!
Not cool. We hate these lights. It's just too much, like, junk.
Just keep it stock, idiot. But then also we're modding our Corolla, so I don't know what to say. Pro at it.
She gets nice ones because it's baby girl's truck.
I
so,
get the best
boom.
connectors. Lovely. Oh!
Mm-hmm.
It's shiny.
What just happened?
I just swallowed a bug.
Why?
I have no idea. I was just breathing. I just spitting everywhere. Because we're working on this damn truck in the middle of fucking spring. All the bugs are out. To wash down that delightful gnat that I just swallowed.
There's one open over there.
It's done. I finished it.
Oh, you finished it.
I did.
Oh, wonderful.
Good empty dubs.
The dubs. Good. Headlights? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we're good.
The part that I'm learning about doing cars or working on cars is be prepared to go to the car shop or the car auto shop, parts store, a minimum of unlimited times a day.
Minimum of unlimited?
Okay, yeah, fine. A minimum of like 3 times in one fucking build. So, moral of the story: prepare to go about like 10 times to the parts store for a build that should have taken about 1 hour. If that. Let's do the satisfying part of unveiling. Oh yeah. Oh, it's lovely. Just lovely. Bang on the biz! We'll put a caption under here. Bang on the biz!
Thinking no matter what happens, don't get on the biz, aren't we, boys?
Oh yeah!
get this
Wow,
out
it
of the
looks
way.
so good.
Shit.
Oh no! We're gonna sell those. We're gonna sell it. We're gonna sell it. Wow! Oh my god. That is so worth it. That looks
Much better.
beautiful.
Oh, looks like how the truck should.
Yeah, it looks.
This is
so
on the way
better.
too.
Here come the chrome side mirrors. Wow, they're huge. Just give me hiccups. Where'd you get that tool?
Man, I got tools. Bang on the bees.
He's not a tool. He's my husband.
That one broke.
Lovely. Hi. Wow, I can't believe they kept this so good. Click, click. Wow.
Emily took a little vacation today to go to our land. And so I got her truck and I'm going to surprise her by cleaning up a set of rally wheels for it. They look like pizza cutters. They look rusted. But I'm going to go ahead and clean up the beauty rings, clean everything up in here, get rid of the rust in the pitting, repaint them a beautiful silver. And then I'm also going to paint her bumpers for her. I just finished setting up our little paint booth in the backyard. And what I'm going to do today is pull off these bumpers, put on the new grille, and paint those bad boys silver. Yeah, silver. They're already primered, so all I gotta do is clean them up and sand them, get them nice and rough again, and then I'll throw down a coat of silver, and the truck is gonna become a whole new truck. All right, we got both bumpers off. Back was a bitch. Front was a lot easier. I don't know how I'm gonna put the back on, but we'll figure that out later. And now it's time to put her on over to the paint booth area, get them all cleaned up, scrubbed down, sanded, primed, and hopefully, it's 1:30, I've been doing this for 3 hours. Hopefully we can get a coat on before Emily comes home. Baby girl's out running an errand. We got the bumpers on her truck. I did that really quick. Took a few days, and today's a really big day. We're going to switch out the wheels and tires on her truck and complete the look. You saw a little bit of a preview of it just now, but you can see her current wheels and tires are kind of a bro setup. And we're gonna switch over to these Johnnies. More of an original plus setup. These are original Chevy 2500 wheels that I cleaned up, painted silver to match her bumpers, and put beauty rings on. And of course, we threw on the new Nitto Tire Ridge Grapplers 265 7516 E-load, and I made sure to get them extra wide so Emily can run over whatever she wants on her rig. Lots of width on the sidewall here so she could run over anything she wants. This is her work truck, and she's gonna be taking it to junkyards, hauling lumber, beating it up. And so I want to make sure I got her the best of the best. No more of these Visions, and more of an old school look. And so let's switch these out and see what the truck looks like. All right, they're on. Boy, does that look so much better. It looks like Emily's got herself a vintage little truck. This could totally be a thumbnail. All right, we're gonna continue on for the rest of the car, and we'll get all the rest of the 3 wheels switched out, and then I'll also double check the wheel spacers to make sure I tightened everything correctly, and we'll keep going. Okay, her truck is now complete. That looks great. It looks like a little mini work truck, and that's exactly what it is. But we're not quite done yet. There's something that's missing on this quarter panel here, and it's time for us to really set it off. Finishing touches really make this truck stand out. There's still a little bit more work to do, but it's time to put it back to Z71 edition. Let's do it. All right, the truck version 1.0 is done. We got the sticker on, we got the rally wheels on, we got the caps on, polished those all up. We got on our fatty boy Nitto Ridge Grapplers, 1 inch spaced out, and the truck is looking good. It's looking like how it should, just a cute little putt-putt truck for Emily to go to the yard. Hey, there she is, to go to our land.
So much for me doing it.
Yeah. Hey, well, you did the brakes.
I did the brakes.
And then I did all the rest just to surprise her. And it looks great. I love it. It just looks like a cute little truck. So you could drive around town, and the beauty is a OBS Chevy is we could fix at any car parts store in America. Recap of everything you're going to see. New grille, new headlights, new marker lights, painted bumper, new wheels and tires. Well, actually, old wheels and tires that I restored, painted, cleaned up the beauty rings. New Nitto Ridge Grapplers. New side chrome mirrors to match the look. See how it just kind of matches there? Old emblem. That's chewed up, but whatever. We'll leave that. And that's about it. Oh, and we painted and fixed the rear bumper here too. Also, Z71 stickers like the truck should have. And then a beautiful rear bumper. All that we're missing is the tailgate tag. Also, we got a new LED light for the bed, and she's looking good. Quick little restoration job. Maybe I think in total I spent, with material, wheels and tires, and my time, everything was about 800 bucks. And we got her truck looking and riding like a brand new truck, and looking like how it should. Now Emily gets to enjoy it and putt-putt in her sort of restored OBS Chevy that's going to live another 10 or 15 more years. Stoked. do are some little tiny odds and ends. Maybe get a deeper set of rally wheels. Maybe get some chrome door handles. I love the chrome mirrors, but we want the door handles to match. Tailgate tag and then a chrome tailgate handle. Emily's stoked. And now you get to go for a cruise. You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. I think she's ready. She's cruise
Oh
ready.
my gosh, so cute. Shh.